What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick unboxing of OPPO A96 smartphone. We will have a look on the device inside, all of the content we got in this retail box, the design, hardware specs, features of the OPPO A96 while performing all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. So as you can see that we got huge A series branding, OPPO A96. The device we got inside comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. It comes with 33-watt Super VOOC fast charging with 5000 mAh battery. We got 8GB RAM, and OPPO A96 comes with extended RAM feature, using which you can extend the RAM up to 5GB more. We got an IPS LCD 90Hz punch hole display, and the color variant of OPPO A96 we got in this retail box is the sunset blue. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got the SIM card tray ejector pin, some user manuals, quick start guide, and a silicon TPU case for the back panel. OPPO A96 in sunset blue color variant. And then we got 33-watt charger and a USB Type-C cable. As you can see, there is no earphones provided in the retail box of OPPO A96. So inside the retail box of OPPO A96 you will find the smartphone, 33-watt charger, SIM card tray ejector pin, USB Type-C cable, case for the back panel, and some user manuals. So here is our OPPO A96. OPPO A96 in sunset blue, and you can see how gorgeous is the back panel of the OPPO A96. It's changing the color at different angles and looking so gorgeous. So let's switch on the device, and while it's booting up for the very first time, let me tell you about few of the other hardware specs of the device. So what we got here is Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor that is powering the OPPO A96. We got 6.59-inch display with 401 ppi. We got dual nano SIM card slots. The device is IP5X dust proof and IPX4 waterproof. And then we got the Android 11, and the device runs on ColorOS 11.1. We got 50 megapixel rear camera setup, and on the front side we got 16 megapixel front facing camera. So I'm going to go through the setup, and after that we will have a detailed look on our OPPO A96 here. So here is our OPPO A96. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So on the front side we got a display with 90% screen to body ratio with a punch hole on the left side. The punch hole is a bit big, and also the bezels are slightly thick, especially at the bottom. But the good part is that the bezels around the screen are pretty symmetrical. Right above the display we got this earpiece that can also be used as the speaker. We got the secondary microphone. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, along with a 3.5mm jack. On the left side we got the volume rockers and the SIM card tray slot, and then on the right side we got the power key, underneath which you will find the fingerprint sensor. The position of the fingerprint sensor is quite nice, and you can use it with both left hand and right hand without facing any issue. Officially OPPO doesn't mention what kind of protection we got on the display of OPPO A96. We also got a thin screen protector pre-applied on the display of OPPO A96. But the most beautiful part of the design of OPPO A96 is the back panel, especially if we are talking about the sunset blue color variant we got here. So as you can see that it is changing the color at different angle, looking very beautiful, as it comes with OPPO Glow technology that provides a very nice visual experience while looking at the back panel of OPPO A96 here, and even though it is made of plastic, it gives the impression of having a glass back panel on this device. The camera module is quite minimalistic and contributes in overall design factor of the device. So in terms of design and build quality, OPPO A96 is a quite nice smartphone in its price segment. It would be great if there was some protection provided on the display of the device officially. Now talking about the display, OPPO A96 comes with 6.59-inch IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, 90% screen to body ratio that covers the 96% of NTSC and 100% of DCI-P3 color gamut. So the PPI you will get is 401, and because of that the display of OPPO A96 is quite sharp. The viewing angles are also quite nice and the colors are rich and punchy. It comes with 90Hz refresh rate, so the display of OPPO A96 is quite smooth. As you can see here, the touchscreen sensitivity is also quite nice and the maximum brightness is quite nice as well. As you can see, everything else is going dark in the background in the maximum peak brightness of 480 nits that can go as high as 600 nits in the high brightness mode. Talking about the software side, the device comes with Android 11 and it is running on ColorOS 11.1. As we already know, the ColorOS is very feature rich and it comes with lots of options that you can use to improve your productivity on OPPO smartphones. The user interface is quite smooth, very feature rich, and comes with various customization that you can use to improve your productivity. Talking about the camera, we've got a 16 megapixel front facing camera, 50 megapixel primary camera on the back and 2 megapixel depth sensor. There is no telephoto or ultra wide angle lens provided on OPPO A96. So personally I would prefer if there was no 2 megapixel depth sensor and instead of that we could get either the telephoto lens or the wide angle lens. That would make the rear camera setup of OPPO A96 quite versatile. Both front and rear cameras can record 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps, so there is no 4K recording provided, and also there is no possibility of recording 60 fps videos on OPPO A96. If you launch the camera app, this is the user interface you will get. So it comes with HDR mode, AI mode, we got the portrait mode, that is the combination of bokeh effect and the beautification. In video you can record 1080p resolution videos with some filters as well, and it comes with night mode as well that you can use for low light imaging capability, and the zoom here you are seeing is totally digital. If we go to the more section, here you can see that the camera of OPPO A96 also comes with slow-mo, time-lapse, pro mode, extra HD, panorama mode, text scanner and some stickers for having some funny pictures. So the camera performance of OPPO A96 is looking quite nice, as I have captured few pictures in the auto mode and you can see it is capturing good amount of details. The color reproduction is also quite nice, very close to the real subject, and once again it is capturing lots of details. As you can see, the reflection of the light and everything. So it is looking quite nice for sure at the first glance, but we will see that how good it's going to be in our detailed camera review and detailed review of the device. That's OPPO A96 here we got. So at the first glance, OPPO A96 is looking a quite solid smartphone in terms of design, build quality, display, as well as considering the initial impression of the camera. But many more videos of OPPO A96 like the gaming performance test, benchmarking test, comparison with other smartphones, etc. are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.